Hi, welcome to the Animation Shop's Introduction to Cinema 4D course. This is just a quick course to get you familiar with the program and allows you to jump right in and start creating. We'll be starting with some basic 3D vocabulary. So let's get started. Viewport. The viewport is the window that allows you to view your 3D scene. So when you open up Cinema 4D, you'll be able to see this view. Orthographic view. This is a two-dimensional view of a three-dimensional object. This view represents the exact shape of an object as seen from one side. Depth is not shown. So as you can see in this picture, we have the 3D object, and then we have the top view, the front view, and the side view. So these are the orthographic views. This is the 2D view, and so when you start to view the depth of the object, then you get into the 3D view. But similar with this 3D object over here, this is the top, the front, and the side. So this is the absolute head-on view. Perspective. This shows your object three-dimensionally. So once you get into showing the depth, you'll be able to see the front, side, and top all at the same time. X, Y, and Z. X, Y, and Z are axis lines. In 2D animation, when you're using a piece of paper, X is left to right and Y is up and down. In 3D animation, we add in depth, and that's the Z-axis. So in this image, X is left and right, Y is up and down, and then Z is back and forth. So coming towards the camera and going away from the camera. Origin. This is where the X, Y, and Z axis meet. So right here in our image, the origin is at this point, which is called 0, 0, 0. And then in our Cinema 4D program, you will see a blue line, red line, and a green line intersecting, and that's the origin. This is where all objects are placed when you create them. An empty or a null is an empty object that doesn't have any points or surfaces, but can be used as one or more objects' parent. So when you need to group things, or when you need to just be able to manipulate the object when you're adding tools, you will create a null and then put the object in the null. Parent and children. If you imagine a barrel of monkeys chain, the parent is an object at the top of the hierarchy and or above another object, and the children are the objects below another object. So if we look at this monkey chain, this monkey right here will be the parent, and then these will be their children. But additionally, this monkey is the parent of this bottom monkey. So if we go over to our Cinema 4D example, we have a null, and then we have a cube, sphere, and a cylinder. So the null is the parent of the cube, sphere, and cylinder. And then the cube is the parent of the sphere and the cylinder, and the sphere is the parent of the cylinder. And the cube, sphere, and cylinder are the null's children, so on and so forth. So that's a very important concept to learn for Cinema 4D. And that's it for our quick vocabulary lesson. Our next video will be on the 3D model.